Testing. Hi there, guys. My name is Rohan Bebe, and today we are going to be talking about Elon Musk's Neuralink brain chip. We're going to be, talking about Neuralink's brand new brain chip. So it all began basically on January 30th of 2024, okay, the chilling morning, okay, when the famous billionaire and entrepreneur Elon Musk tweeted this: the first human received an implant from Neuralink yesterday and is recovering well, okay? And it just basically shocked everyone. It's actually happening. But to understand what the buzz is, we have to know what is Neuralink brain chip, okay? So it all began in 2016 when Elon Musk basically put the idea up of a new idea called Neuralink, okay? Which basically aims to help disabled people, like people who can't walk again, okay? But how do they do this? So Elon Musk's scientists, okay, they've been researching all day and all night, okay, trying to find a way. And they created the brain chip. This is a rough diagram, sketch of what the brain chip looks like, okay? It'll be implanted into your brain and would allow disabled people to walk and literally control, stuff, like electronic stuff, okay, such as able to control video games from far aside, or picking up a call that's you're like all the way somewhere on one side of the room, a phone is on the other side. You immediately just think of answering the call. It answers the call, okay? And everyone was like, that's a bit skeptical when he actually proved it by actually inputting a brain chip into a monkey, okay? And they basically put it up on playing a few simple games and allowed it to control a little cursor, okay, which and the monkey was able to play them averagely, okay, because thanks to the brain chip, okay. But the real question is, what, and not what, but how does the Neuralink brain chip work, okay? So this is mainly what it looks like. So mainly our brains, okay? They are made up of neurons, which send electrical signals to the body, such as our muscles. That's why how we can run, dance, and do all other kinds of stuff, okay? But for some people, they can't. And thanks to the Neuralink brain chip, okay? It's implanted into your brain. Once it's implanted, basically the Neuralink chip, okay, the brain chip, okay, will basically read those signals and basically turn it into motorized functions, okay, motorized signals. So you think of turning on the TV, bam, it turns on the TV, okay, thanks to the brain chip. And for people who are disabled, such as people who cannot move limbs or such, and if the person's neurons are okay in the brain, but they can't control it due to the connections being severed off or damaged and broken, okay? The Neuralink brain chip will also act as a extra thing, okay, which allows it to basically send the electrical signals directly, allowing someone disabled who cannot walk able to just walk again, okay? But there are some few risks to it as well, such as the risk of surgery as well, and the risk of animal testing, a bit cruel, and the risk of human brain surgery, as if it's done wrong or some side effects happening, like bleeding inside the brain, and as such could also cause some major bad stuff as well. And it also questions privacy. There's a possible chance people might try to hack the Neuralink brain chip, which could, possibly mean bad stuff, okay? That's why we should all, use these brain chips safely. And that's basically how Elon Musk's Neuralink brain chip works. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. Hope to see you next time. Bye bye.